So if you've been on Instagram lately, there's this new facial hair trend going around called the Italian. Having the sides faded down, disconnecting the mustache from the rest. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a tutorial on how to do that. So let's get straight to it. The first thing you guys wanna do is you wanna start the line, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut at an angle like this. We're gonna do this side too. Okay, as you see guys, that's my first guideline. Next, we're gonna grab our clippers and we're gonna go lever, open. And with our first guideline here, we're gonna go probably, let's say, 1/2 centimeter down from there. And we're just gonna follow this exact same line. Now that we did that, we're gonna grab that same lever and we're gonna close it. We're gonna close it halfway closed. Okay, now that we did this side, we're gonna do the same on that side. Close it halfway. Okay, now that we did both sides, the next guard we're gonna use is the number 1 guard. And now we're gonna go another 1/2 centimeter down. Now to fade out that line right there, we're gonna grab our 0.5 guard. There we go. Now we're gonna open that lever up to number 1 and blend the rest in. Same thing on this side. Now next, we're gonna disconnect the mustache. Fun fact about me, I actually have a bald spot right over here. So whenever I line up my beard, there's always this random gap right over there. Okay, there you guys have it. That's my version of the Italian facial hairstyle. If you guys have any questions in the comments of how to do certain parts, pretty simple. I'm gonna fade in my sideburns right after too. And yeah.